guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna do a little vlogging today for Easter Sunday. I didn't get the morning part of today because I put it on my TikTok. The girls had rainbow pancakes. So these are all of the girls' Easter baskets. They haven't seen it yet. So here is a little peek first. The bunny ate all the carrots. And here's the note that Addie left the Easter bunny. And the Easter Bunny's footprints. All the goodies. We got some books, scrunchies, LOLs, Band-Aids, snacks. And now they're gonna come out of the bedroom and see.
I'm shook. Look at Olive. Ryan. Look at Ryan. He ate it. Look at Ryan. And he put a little heart. He ate it. Put a little heart. Look at Olive. Open it. He's a boy. He's a girl. It's a girl. Look at his glasses. Oh my god! I'm gonna open the LOL. Okay, I got my LOL. What do you want to take out? You want that one first?
Snacks?
You want to eat it? No. No, building a snow baby. Eat it. But I don't want to. But you need to.
맛있어요? 올리브 맛있어?
Relaxing in the hot tub. Relaxing in the hot tub. Can we relax? Okay, opening my ball.
올리브 맛있어? 맛있어?
Molly, her gumball.
Olive's just happy with her little snack.
No!
Is it
That's how
yummy?
you fill her. Mama. That's how you fill her up. That's her little plug. Oh, what's this? Oh my god, I almost dropped it. Oh my god. It's a puppy? What's this? Puppy corn? Let's see. Wait, it has silver wings. What? I'm opening one of these.
Shake, 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 Olive.
Such little things in my basket. Bye.
Thank you, baby.
I'll clean up the trash. I have to wet it first, though. Right, I ripped it. Me. And this one's hard to punch out, Mom.
Well, then let Olive have one.
Mom, can you help? Yeah! Mine. And now there's one in there. Ooh, blue. Yes! So, alright, take out the blue and the green. Blue and the green. Okay. Green. Is that yours? No. That's one. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna spread the glitter a little bit with my finger.
Maxine, careful. So it started thundering and raining, so it kind of rained on our parade on our Easter egg hunt.
Go. Ah, right here.
Let's get it. Get it. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Baby, how does she know?
You want this one on it?
Let her have some too.
Yeah. Okay, I have to go get my bunny ears. I forgot them. Here you go. Look how many eggs I have.
Good job, baby. Olive, right here. They're not in rooms.
They're not?
No.
Let's go. Okay. Oh, that one! Yes, another one. Like a horsey. Okay, what else? Oh, we got a toy. Oh, that's a spray bottle. Come on! What did I get? I got... What is this? Come on. I don't know. What is it? Hi, Greta. I wondered where you were. Oh, do you have holographic stuff on? Ooh, Mama! I
Wow.
don't know. I got a yucky smelling num num. I do. Oh, I found it.
Done already. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Like this video, of course. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye.